Dave here, and we are going to provide an update on the two-family transformation that we've been working on for the last month. We're going to go inside, take a look. I just had all the inspections just the last couple of days. We had the plumbing, electric, fire, and building. Everything passed. Right now I have the gutters being installed. So we'll take a quick look outside and then we'll go inside. I'll show you around. All right, guys, so you can see right here we had the rough electric, the framing, the plumbing, and the fire. Everything passed very quickly. You can see the stickers. We passed our inspections. Everything is going very smooth, and right now we're just, the next phase is we're going to be insulating in the next couple of days and then getting an inspection, and then from there we sheetrock and start the finishing process. Right now we're going to take a quick look at the outside and then we'll go inside and take a quick look around. So take a look at the transformation of the outside of this house. A lot of detail. We have the vertical siding up there. We have black gutters, black leaders, also the black shutters. Eventually the door is going to be painted black, and we have a black railing going on. You can see the beautiful accent stone down below. You remember this house, what it used to look like. I'm going to post a picture here right now. You can see what it used to look like. And then back here we created the mother-daughter apartment, which has a shared portico with the main house leading into the side door. So the first door is to go into the lower level kitchen, and then the rear door is to go into the apartment in the back of the house for the mother-daughter. And as we look around here, you can see the colored stucco application that we installed. We also have a two-family meter. All the windows have been changed, new siding application, and we are really moving quick on this. Next phase, like I said, will be the interior finishing, and then we're going to really wrap it up shortly after that with the tile and put the kitchen in and then painting. All right, so we're going to go in the house right now. I'll show you the utilities that are all installed, and we're just waiting for the installation crew to arrive here in the next couple of days. So let's take a look. All right, so this again is a total home transformation. Everything's been gutted, opened up. You've seen our prior videos. This was about 6 rooms on this particular floor. This was one family, above was a second family, and this whole unit has been converted into one family. And you can see all the work that's gone on, all the structural headers, beams, hangers, and with that we have all new electric, plumbing, HVAC. You can see the kitchen marked out here, the nice island. It's all wrapped in cabinetry. Everything's in place. Everything's been approved. And now we're just ready for the next wave, which will be insulation, sheetrock, and then we'll be wrapping this up with the paint crew, and this place will be wrapped up. So let's go upstairs. I'm going to show you. We have 3 beds, 2 baths, and a laundry up here. This is a brand new staircase. We opened up the stairwell going upstairs, and it immediately opens up to a great little hallway here, foyer, and let's take a look. So here we are. There's going to be a railing over here, and this is the 1 bedroom. Lots of light, nice size walk-in closet, and we have in the middle here a shared bathroom for this bedroom and the second bedroom, which is right over here. Nice large closet, another great size window, and as we get back into the hallway here, we have a laundry out in the hall, side by side, and then right outside that is the doorway leading into the master bedroom and master bathroom. And as we make our way in here, you can see all the work that's been done. We have 3 zones of HVAC in this house. This is one of them, and this is in the master bedroom. We have a 10-foot ceiling here. We have a walk-in closet. We have a full master bathroom, which will be a custom shower right over here. And then you have the toilet. It's going to have a nice surround glass area. And then over here is the double vanity. So guys, this is a lot of work, a lot of detail. We're moving quick through this. You can see the inspection stickers earlier in the video that we showed, and everything is going smooth. It's a smooth transition, and the bottom line is this particular project is going to get finished ahead of schedule. We're just a couple of weeks away from wrapping this up, and stay tuned. We're going to show you the finishing process, which again will be the sheetrock, the spackling, and then from there the crews will start coming in. We'll do the tile, the trim, the kitchen installations, finishing the bathrooms, and then finally the paint crew, and then finishing the floor. So there's a lot of work still ahead, but we're going to be going quick, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm Dave. My number is 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You could also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.